Are you tired of going out and buying little containers of Play-Doh? You're just wondering, where's my money going? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make as much Play-Doh as you want to at home in your kitchen using a few simple ingredients. Alright, so we're getting ready to make some homemade Play-Doh, no heat version. I'm just emptying out my flour into a container to make it easier for me to scoop out and add to my mixing bowl. I'm using bread flour. You don't have to use bread flour, you can use all-purpose. I just like using bread flour. So I'm measuring my flour out into my mixing bowl. The exact measurements are on my website, kidside.org. You can check the link in the description box below. See my water and my vegetable oil. I'm measuring out my salt. You don't have to use iodine salt. You can use regular salt. That's just what I had in the cabinet. Toss that in, give it a little stir. Add oil to my little measuring cup. I'm adding the food coloring directly to the mixture. This is going to give it a little speckled effect. So it won't completely turn the Play-Doh red or blue or purple, but it adds little speckles throughout the Play-Doh. Alright, so now I'm coloring the rest of my water, and that's actually going to change the color of the bulk of the Play-Doh. But you're still going to have streaks from the previous red and blue. So it's a pretty cool effect, having purple Play-Doh with streaks of red and blue going throughout it. So the whole process is a little messy. But it's fun. So make sure to get in there and knead the Play-Doh to get as much off the bowl as you can. Okay, so now I'm just kneading it just to kind of get rid of some of the lumps and make it a bit more malleable. I finished kneading it, and I'm going to store it in an airtight container. So I'm using a little zip top bag. So now we're going to make Play-Doh again, but we're going to make the entire thing all green. So again, measuring flour off into my measuring bowl. And adding the salt. And this recipe does not require cream of tartar. And dye my water green. And I'm going to add it right in. So you want to add your water bit by bit so you don't add too much water. So just keep adding water, stirring until you get to the right consistency. So as you can see, I still have some more left over. So you don't have to add all of your water. So now I'm just kneading it to kind of smooth it out. And do a little quick cleanup. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. Be on the lookout for new content. Thanks.